Hi everybody, it's Lisa from the House of Jane. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to showcase some of the freebies I get and that I have been getting for many years. My family often calls me the freebie queen because I find all these great deals on the internet for things absolutely free, no shipping applied, and they're for me to use in my own home and to test and to do whatever I want with them. I can give them away if I wanted to. One of the programs that you might have heard before is called PINCHme. They're located at PINCHme.com. I will give the details down below. I've been a member of PINCHme for years, and I looked at my stats earlier, and I will also show this in the comments below. I have had 68 boxes and have claimed 189 samples over the last few years. 189 free samples. The box looks like this. I have two PINCHme boxes that I recently received, one last week and the one the week before, and I've just been saving them up just for the purposes of doing this video. So the first box, and oh, by the way you get a PINCHme campaign is you fill out a profile, and every 2 weeks or every month or so they have a release where they release samples to you. They release it to thousands of people, so sometimes you're picked and sometimes you're not. It just all depends on your profile, your demographics, etc. Like I said, I've received 168 samples over the years, and they've been really good things from makeup to skincare to food to cat food to vitamins, you name it. So anyway, this is my new sample box from PINCHme. They included some Band-Aids from NextCare. So it's a nice sample. Plus there is a 75% off coupon I can see. You take it to most supermarkets, if they double it, you're going to get $1.50 off on bandages, so that's a great deal. This is related to one of the samples. It's called Caliber CBD Dissolvable CBD Powder. There must be a sample for that in there. And wouldn't you know it, it is. I'm not really familiar with most CBD products. I know they make vitamins, but in this case, in this sample, they've given me two sample packs to mix with any liquid. What it's supposed to do for me, I'm not sure. I don't think it's going to get me high. Too bad, but it won't get me high. They take out any drugs. But it says tear open a packet, you get two in the sample, sprinkle into anything you're eating or drinking, watch it dissolve instantly, enjoy how your day just got better. Okay, and they also give me a first purchase of promo code coupon, which is PINCHme 30% off. I'm happy to share that. So it's supposed to make my day better. I don't know. It says it's sugar-free, 0 calories. That's nice. I will try it. Maybe it will take off some anxiety you might have, some tension. I know the world is lately very stressful, so it's something I would try. Okay, the next sample they gave me was a tea bag for Morgina and green tea. It's organic tea and herbal infusions. It's just one tea bag. I mean, I love tea. I drink tea every day as well as coffee. It says start your day with a healthy kick or end it with a healthy shot of nourishment, blah, blah, blah. The antioxidant properties of green tea and the numerous health benefits of moringa are great to keep your immune system at its best. So, all right, this is just one tea bag. I know from experience if you want to get long-term effects, you have to take something every day. So I'll see if I like it. If I like it, I might purchase it. And the last sample I got is, let's see what this is, back with my glasses. It's from Ava, New York City. It's called Maine Magic 10-in-1 primer. It has argan oil and sunflower seed oil. And this, I can't even read it, but obviously it's for your hair. I would have to get a magnifying glass to read all this or look it up on the internet, but I bet you it's primer for your hair before you use hot curling irons or straighteners or stuff like that, or maybe it's conditioner. It's really impossible for me to read it right now, but so that was in that sample box. And then they offered me another sample product through email. They know I have a cat. I answered a couple of questions, and I got a warmed and served Friskies chicken dinner for my cat. She'll love it. It's an exclusive product trial, starts now. Of course, they want me to go on social media and tell you the great benefits of it. There are great benefits. My cat will have a meal from it, so I appreciate getting that. So that's what I got in my PINCHme box. The next PINCHme party or opening for new samples is June 16th. So if you sign up today, you can get in on that June 16th party. Hopefully the demographics you fill out, the way you answer questions, you'll get picked and you can get a lot of good samples. I will not, I'll give you a referral link, but I don't profit from it in any way, shape, or form. If you do go through my referral link, I think I get entered in a contest to win $500, which, you know, I probably would never win, but that's the incentive of my referral link. I don't get paid or get any more samples from that. So the other sampling box I'm going to show you is from Sampler. Now, Sampler, I've been a member since 2018, and I also looked through my profile. I've probably gotten about 30 to 40 samples since 2018. Food, makeup, they once sent me a full-size product of lotion, cleansing lotion for the skin, really nice brand. I've gotten vitamins, cleaners. So let's see what they've included in my box. Sampler is kind of weird. You sign into the website, create a profile. I'll give you a link to that. And then you just have to check back to when they have a release of samples. And different companies will promote things there. So it's not just Sampler that you can get things from. You can get things from other companies, samples through them. I know I've gotten like laundry detergent samples in the past, all sorts of stuff. So here is my box, and this one has a little bit more stuff than my PINCHme box. So PINCHme in some months I can get, up to 6-7 samples a month. This first one is Bona. It's a hard surface floor cleaner in a lemon mint scent, and it's for your hard floors. So this would be good. I do have hard floors in my house and tile, and this is good for use on ceramic tile, sealed marble, sealed granite, sealed stone, laminate, and vinyl flooring. I have laminate flooring as well that looks like fake wood. So this would be a good spray product to use. It says vacuum, sweep, or dust mop spray, and then clean. Rinse and wring clean pad often to avoid streaking. So I'm interested in trying that. I also got, so this is a sample size of Monostat Care. It's chafing relief powder gel. I don't have chafing problems, so I will probably give this to somebody in my family who I think might have chafing problems. I don't know, but it's nice to have, in case you do have those problems or know someone you can give it to. And then I got 2 nice sample sizes of Better Natured shampoo and conditioner. It's for color care, so I do dye my hair because I do get some grays. It hasn't been dyed in a while. But these are 2 fluid ounces shampoo and conditioner. I really like the bottle, very cute. So, I mean, either I use it at home or, you know, when I start traveling again, one of these days, I will use it when I travel. So that's a nice sampler. There's no coupon with that. And that's it. That's all I received in my sample boxes. So again, they're just 2 of the websites I go to get samples, and I really hope it works out for you, that you could score some good things for yourself without paying a dime. So who doesn't like free? I like free when I can get it, and it's legal, and I hope it works out for you. So anyway, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel, liking the video, and if you have any comments, please write them below. I will answer each and every one of your comments. I really appreciate them. And that's all I have to say today. So be safe and be healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.